That's a poor delivery. He's gone very wide of the crease. And the lack of bounce going through to Joylord Gumbi has allowed it to go past him.
Afghanistan won't mind that, because with that, the run rate per over has just touched 3 now. It has been under 3 for the whole of the day when you see how Afghanistan batters have approached their innings, and with that, it just reaches 3.02 now.
.11:39 local time, and Hashmat without a doubt will be looking to get to that milestone first and then ensure that they don't lose another wicket going into the lunch break. Been rock solid this morning, the two of them. Change in the field. There was Brandon Mavuta at a square leg position. He comes into the offside because Muzarabani is now going over the wicket, looking to bowl across the left-hander. .177 for 2. .61 between Ramat Shah and Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik was dismissed by Muzarabani taking on the pull shot, and then Hashmat and Ramat Shah 113 and 220 balls. Very patient. Weathered the storm through difficult parts of the innings. It's been solid in defense as far as the batters are concerned, but you will think that the moment is with Zimbabwe, knowing that both the batters are just away from their milestones. Rahmat Shah closing in on his 100 and Hashmatullah Shahidi on his 50. Whipped away by Ramat Shah. It was just the fact that it was slightly overpitched and a little too straight.
Yeah, and I was about to talk about the nervousness and all that, and Ramat Shah tells me, no, there's no such thing. I get ball as full as this under my eyesight, and I'm going to just send it running for a boundary. 4 runs shy of 100, Ramat Shah.
Four runs shy of what will be a well-deserved 100.
Go.
And I was like, okay, it's lunch in a few minutes, and you're closing on your milestone. What is going on in your mind? And Ramat Shah tells us that he's rock solid over there. He's really concentrated nicely, building this innings, scoring 97, been in 2 partnerships, 61 with Abdul Malik, and now 118 with Hashmatullah Shahidi.
it's a good thing they decided against the single. Bennett was creeping in at that wideish mid-on. And Hashmat's just got that little smirk on his face because he picked it up.
Oh, yes.
60 gone, 182 for 2.